HTP. Let's go see the combination boiler with endless hot water, heating, and high efficiency. It consists of patented fire tube heat exchanger with series of small vertical tubes with high thin inserts providing rapid heat transfer and high efficiency. Vertical tube design also promotes condensate drainage, providing less long-term maintenance. By applying ceramic fiber to the burner, it minimizes nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide emissions from burned gas. An intake pipe is an air inlet port used for combustion. It prevents noise when drawing air and helps to draw in a certain amount of air. The combustion system is designed to easily convert the gas type when required in the installation. The gas valve is designed to provide the precise amount of fuel to air, providing very clean combustion. It is a hot water storage heat exchanger made with high-quality stainless steel material and designed with a built-in hot water storage tank. Thus, it can supply large amounts of hot water. Auto air vent allows the air inside the pipes to be automatically discharged. A flame detector senses the flame when infrared radiation emitted by flame goes over a setting amount. An electric transformer discharges continuously high voltage by electric energy in order to supply ignition energy to the burner for ignition. Cold inlet filter captures small particles from incoming water supply, which can damage the heat exchanger. The mixing valve mixes the hot and cold water to provide highly accurate temperature control. The flow sensor serves to monitor the domestic water flow and fire the boiler combustion system to meet the hot water demand. A condensate trap allows condensate occurred during operation to be discharged safely and blocks the exhaust gas generated during combustion. In order to protect the heat exchanger, a central heating return filter removes foreign substances from heating return water. The three-way diverting valve directs the heating boiler water flow through either the space heating circuits or internal storage tank, providing rapid response to hot water demand. An internal central heating pump circulates hot water to the heating pipe during heating. When using hot water, it transfers the water to the hot water supply heat exchanger. Air pressure switch monitors the air pressure in the combustion system to assure safe operation. The adapters are composed of highly durable brass material. Until now, you have seen main parts. From here, you can see safety devices. Switched mode power supply, SMPS design. A gas leak detector prevents deadly gas explosions caused by internal gas leakage. It measures water temperature inside the water boiler. It is composed of highly durable stainless steel material. Safety devices stop product operation when temperature of the part becomes higher than the set temperature. Low water level sensor prevents the unit from operating when low water level is detected inside of the boiler heat exchanger. You can install the product on the wall of the boiler room where flue tubes and water pipes can be easily assembled. Push the power button to operate the boiler. If the system is not supplied with enough water or air is trapped inside the heat exchanger, error code 80 will appear. Ensure the valve on the auto feed line is open or connect a hose between domestic cold water inlet and heating return lines to fill the system with water. When water is supplemented in the heat exchanger, water level sensor operates normally and 15 psi water press is reached. Pre-purge for emitting residual exhaust gas is proceeded with blower action for 3 seconds. Power is supplied from ignition transformer to the spark electrode to ignite the fuel. Now you can see the process in which air is moved into the combustion system and flue gases are discharged to the outside. The blower operates and the gas valve opens, sending a mixture of gas and air which enters the burner. The mixed gas enters inside the burner. At this time, the entered mixed gas and air are ignited with spark ignition system. If the flame is sensed and the flame is not extinguished after 2 seconds, the boiler operates normally. Heat is exchanged rapidly through the highly efficient heat exchanger, transferring energy quickly to heat the system returned water. The internal central heating circulation pump will operate and circulate the heated water through the boiler heat exchanger and internal storage tank. When there is a call for heat, the primary central heating circulation pump operates. The three-way diverting valve directs the heated hot water supply to the radiator or baseboard to heat the house rapidly. Once this heated water passes through the radiator or baseboard, the energy is released into the room and the cooled water is circulated back to be reheated inside the boiler. During central heating mode, central heating is temporarily stopped by the movement of three-way valve to divert the heated water to circulate back through the internal storage tank, providing priority and large amounts of domestic hot water production. When the consumer uses domestic hot water, direct city water would enter into the domestic hot water heat exchanger, which is detected by the flow sensor. Hot water is created after heat exchange between hot heated water outside the coil and cold water inside the coil. Domestic water is heated inside the highly efficient heat exchanger located inside the internal storage tank, as heated water passes through the tank, producing large amounts of domestic hot water. The unit provides highly accurate temperature control through the thermostat static mixing valve that mixes cold and hot water directly to provide highly accurate temperature delivery. HTP Combi Boiler, with its world-class technology, makes it your clear choice. HTP.